Crunchy cucumbers tossed in an Asian dressing finished with toasted sesame seeds, chili flakes, and chopped cilantro. Quick and easy, this is your next must-make salad. It's our Asian cucumber salad. Quick and easy to make, big flavors, and this salad pairs well with everything. Let me show you how to make it. We're going to start by giving 3 English cucumbers a rinse under cool water. Then over to a cutting board, we're going to trim off the ends, divide them down the middle lengthwise, and then cut into 1/2-inch slices. You can transfer the cucumbers to a large bowl. Over to your work surface, I have 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to finely dice them. I also have a 2-inch knob of ginger, microplane. We're going to run the ginger on the microplane. Garlic and ginger can go in the bowl. Watch this, I'm covering that bowl. Let's say you're ready to serve the salad right now, just continue. But I covered it to give you an option. This is a great make-ahead salad. You can simply have this in the fridge ready to go, and then you're just gonna make the dressing and have a couple of extras on the side. Let's make the dressing next. Small bowl into which I'm adding 2 tablespoons of seasoned rice wine vinegar, 4 teaspoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, a tablespoon of honey, and the juice from 1/2 a lemon. Lime juice will also work in this recipe. Grab a whisk. We're going to whisk to combine, and then one final little side step. We're heading to stovetop to toast up some sesame seeds. Small skillet on stovetop, moderate heat. Spill 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds into the pan. Toss them about until they're gorgeously golden, then remove from the heat. Back to that salad. Big bowl with the cucumbers, garlic, and ginger center stage. We're gonna spill the dressing over top. Then we're gonna hit the bowl with 1/2 teaspoon of chili flakes, the 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame seeds. Finally, a big bunch of cilantro. We're gonna chop it up, then 2 spoons to toss. Guess what? This salad is ready to be enjoyed. And just to be clear, you, your friends, and your family are gonna love this salad. Good news, full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video and tons more salad recipes on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And then when a salad is this sensational, take a picture of it, post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. It's our easy to make Asian cucumber salad. I am going in for a bite. A big crunchy slice of cucumber with that dressing and all the little extras. Incredible. Listen for the crunch. Amazing. Beautiful.